Hi guys, Tiffany here with High Seas Cruising with another Tips from Tiffany. So today's episode we're going to talk about Disney popcorn buckets. A few months ago we were doing a live and somebody had asked to see my Disney popcorn bucket collection, so I'm going to show you my collection. I don't have a lot. I have a few. A couple I've gotten from being on Disney ships or going to Disney, but a lot of these I've gotten from friends that go to Disney. I've got one going in a couple weeks and I already got a popcorn bucket lined up another popcorn bucket coming in a couple weeks. So the very first one I got was back in 2016 on the Disney Fantasy. When you are on the Disney cruise ships, if you go to any of the theater shows or to the movie theater itself, they do have the little snack bar there and you can get popcorn buckets there. They generally run about $20 and up, but you can get popcorn refills. I don't remember how much they are on the cruise ship, but in the parks it's anywhere from $2.25 and up for the refills, which depending on the kind of popcorn bucket, they can range from anywhere from $13 and up according to what I just researched. And it all depends on the intricacy of the popcorn bucket and the popularity of it. I know when Figment was available, he was very popular and they sold for quite a bit. So the very first one I got is the Mickey Mouse. It was a Christmas cruise that we were on, so it is a Mickey Mouse popcorn bucket and you just lift up his hat and the popcorn goes in there. So this was the very first one that I got. The other one that I got on the cruise ship was the last one that we were on. It is the silver and purple, but it's the Disney 100 when they're doing their Disney 100 right now. So that is the second one that I got on the cruise ship. Now this one here was given to me and one of my friends that went. So this one here, I don't remember how he opens. Oh, in the back of his head, he opens up and the popcorn goes in there. So then this one I got last year. This is Mr. Toad and his little car, and the wheels do work so you can run them around. They all come with these little necklaces so that you can wear it around your neck if you wanted to. Some of these I could see wearing around your neck. This one here might be a little bit difficult. So another one that I have is the Disney Skyliner, and this one has Groot on it and guys from Galaxy, Guardians of the Galaxy. So it's all the way around. And it looks just like the Skyliner does at Disney. They have the window wraps with all the decorations on it, and this one just opens up like that. So this one would be a little bit easier to wear as a necklace. And if you didn't want to keep popcorn in there, you could put different things in there while you're at the parks. And then my favorite one, I got this one last Christmas. It's actually a tin, and it's a Christmas one. You can hear it rattling around a little bit, but the whole lid comes off like that. And then on the bottom, you can turn it, and it plays music and spins around with the Christmas scene. Might have wound it too much. So yeah, that is all of my popcorn buckets. Like I said, I am getting a few more. I've got some friends going into Disney in a couple weeks and hoping that they'll bring me back another one. But that's my Disney popcorn bucket collection. So hope you enjoyed it. I just have them sitting around the house collecting dust, but makes you happy. So if there are any tips or tricks that you would like to know about, please leave those in the comments below. And I hope you have enjoyed today's episode of Tips from Tiffany. If you have, hit that like button. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.